a money back guarantee. You're always playing with my head, like when you say I'm no good in bed. You ain't got no heart, you just want to beat me up. I know I'm having hard times, that's why you want to say bye-bye. Like an apology gets rid of it. You're trying to get rid of me, I know.
¿Qué pasa?
I know.
¿Qué pasa contigo?
My heart says
No
so.
me digas que tú no me quieres más. What's happening with you? What's on your mind? I know you want to say bye-bye, porque te veo.
Ay, mujer mía, ¿qué quieres de mi vida? Yo te trato bien, todavía tú no estás feliz. El amor no es un relajo, no juegues con mi corazón. Y por favor, enfrente de gente, no me digas, ríate ahora, coquetona, a mí no me importa. Por fin eres tú la que vas a sufrir. Si te quito mi dinero tú no puedes vivir. I know.
¿Qué pasa?
I know.
¿Qué pasa contigo?
My heart says
No
no.
me digas que tú no me quieres más. What's happening with you? What's on your mind? I know you want to say bye-bye, porque te veo.
Sure your love was there, like a dandruff in my hair, like a loose on the air, like a fruit fly on the pear. But I don't really care. I throw my hands in there, and I'm stepping to the music, like a friend I'll tell you did. Or they may not be a cable, but I'm ready, a woman and a nipple, a big old bill. Check me out. I'm the George Rap of the leisure class. I'm the James Dean of the music scene. Alright.
Later on in the evening, our protagonist turns the corner to destiny and finds the truth, the hidden truth.
First thing, I love you. 2. This is the dawn of your pre-emperor reptilian existence. You have been chosen to transcend the human dimension through the purgatory of shirtless heaven and become a grand master of transcendence and reality. Manifestations will bring forth your heightened state of consciousness. Our species has been fucking your species for eons, all the while keeping secret the truth, the hidden truth. Throughout the history of time, the draconian, or alien reptiles as your feeble mind knows us by, has given the secrets of technology, science, and anal penetration through all ancient culture. Don't be scared, I can read your mind, and your mind is scared. I have chosen you to be what you humans call my wife. Let's grow old together and discover the truth, the hidden truth. We can communicate when you are about to climax from sexual stimulation via telepathy. Leave me in peace now, I must return to inner earth, my darling. I'll be back for you.